Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter or X age verification problem. So start by opening up the X app and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the home page, just drag the screen to the right for this window to pop up, then click on your profile icon. From here, click on Edit Profile, then look at the birth date section. Here, make sure that it's correct and that it shows you're 18 years old and above. If not, simply click on birth date section. And if there's a mistake, just edit it here and make sure that you're really 18 years old and above for you to be eligible to use X. Once done, press the save button. Lastly is try closing the X app and reopen it once again. Also try logging in and logging out of your account and the pop-up should disappear. If those fixes still doesn't work, head back to your homepage, then once again drag the screen to the right, then go to settings and privacy. And from here, navigate to privacy and safety, then click on content you see. First, open up the search settings, and here make sure that you toggle off the hide sensitive content settings. Now go back. Now click on sensitive media and turn all this setting from 1 to show all. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!